Well, good morning. Got a question for you this morning. Are you a Linux user, a Windows user, a Mac user? Uh, and what's your thoughts on the new release of Ubuntu 2004? Well, if you're thinking about installing 2004, I just got a couple things I'd like to tell you. First of all, it's not going to support 32-bit. You have to go with the 64-bit. So if you got the older hardware, don't even consider it. 1804 will be supported yet for a while, and it does support 32-bit. Let me just share a couple things here real quick here. I'm running the 2004 right now on 3 different machines. I'm running it on a small Dell, called a 2-in-1. You can use it as a tablet or a computer. It's a small 11-inch screen. I use it for travel when I go places. It's very convenient, and actually 2004 is running real good on that one. Also, I have an Asus laptop, and that's running pretty good. Now, this is the machine that I'm on right now. I'm on, let me just share this with you here. I'm running this on a Dell, a 9010 Optiplex. I've got 16 gig of RAM, and I got an i7 processor in it. Real good graphics. I got a 480 or 500 gig SSD, and I'm dual booting with Windows and Ubuntu on this one. Even though I don't use Windows, I've only went into Windows twice, and that was when I first installed or first bought the computer, and then when I actually had to do something in Windows. I forget what it was, but I don't like Windows at all. But I'm running 2004, the long-term support, and it's a 64-bit. Like I said, they're not going to support the 32-bit anymore. And it comes with Genome 3.36.1, and it still has the X11 windowing system on it. And if you want to look at the software upgrader, and you just click on that little thing, and it does its thing. But anyway, what another thing I wanted to share with you was the some information about the new release. And I went to this website and got more information. It's foss.com, Ubuntu 2004 release dash features. And it's a good website if you want to get any information about the new release. It will be coming out, today's the 20th, April 20th, and it'll be coming out April 23rd. So I would advise that you go and check some of the new features out. I find it really a good solid system, even for being a beta right now. And you will have to get used to one feature, Snap. If you're like I am, you install from your command line, and you were used to typing sudo app install and then install it. Well, right now, if you don't have something on your system, it automatically will tell you to use the Snap first. Snap is the package manager that comes with this flavor of Ubuntu, and I have no problem with it. I find it okay, and you can install either way, but they tell you to try Snap first. So that's one thing you have to get used to. And it's using the kernel 5.4 too, and also the improved Z file system support. And they got rid of that Amazon app in the launcher, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. And they also no more support for Python 2. It's all Python 3. And that was coming because Python 2 is 20 years old already. It came out in 2000. So just a few things that you should consider. And like I say, just check out this website. You can do a search and see what you think. And with that, I'm just going to end this video and hope you found this information useful. Have a good day.